ultimate game. More box to be ticked.
What a party there will be.
The world.
This highly charged moment.
The theme of our celebration assembly this term is "When you believe, others will follow your lead." Having successfully navigated remote learning and continued to develop and grow through blended learning, this short video is a celebration of the resilience and attitude of all our pupils, staff and parents. You all deserve a special mention. Keep believing.
November 21st marked exactly 2 years until the next and groundbreaking edition of the FIFA World Cup. Qatar 2022 is an example of when you believe. Countrywide infrastructure is being delivered at a rapid pace, including the state-of-the-art Doha Metro. The compact nature, modern landscape, and fascinating culture offered by the first edition of the event to be held in the Middle East will guarantee a unique experience in 2022. Among the many distinctive features, travelling fans will have the opportunity to potentially attend more than one match during the group stage. Infrastructure planned for the event has already reached 90% completion, with the 3 stadiums that have already been finalised safely hosting more than 100 matches in 2020 in spite of the COVID-19 pandemic. 3 more tournament venues are in the final stages of construction, and the main works of the remaining 2 stadiums are set to be completed in 2021.
The FIFA president, Gianni Infantino, 2020 has surely been a challenging year for the entire world. Despite the difficulties, steady progress has been made in the last few months, showing yet again Qatar's strong and continued commitment, under the leadership of the Emir, to hosting an unforgettable FIFA World Cup in 2 years' time, which will no doubt build a legacy long beyond 2022. I am looking forward with confidence to Qatar 2022 for the transformative impact that is already having on the country and the region, for the unique experience it will provide fans from all over the world, and of course for witnessing the best World Cup ever, added Infantino.
Hello, my name is Mr. Hake, head of Akhmed House, and I'm here today to tell you the award winners for Junior and Senior Akhmed House Awards for this past term. Our first award winner is Jacob Bakala for a brilliant start to the year, getting 16 merits in just a 2-week period to really get us off to a really good head start with the inter-house competition in the merit stakes. Well done, Jacob. Thank you very much. A shining example to the rest of our house of what's possible. And our second award goes to Aditya Sankar Jagannathan for his excellent attitude and contribution to in-house events. I've spoken to the teachers, and of all the teachers, the person who had the most shining feedback to give me was for Aditya, for his involvement, getting involved in what we've been doing in our in-house events. So thank you, Aditya, and to all of you who are getting involved, keep going, keep working hard for Akhmed House so we can do really, really well in the competition this year. Have a great holiday.
Hi everyone, Ms. Kayari speaking. I just wanted to say huge well done and congratulations to all pupils in Cook House for a wonderful term. It was really fantastic to see you all engage in all the activities provided this term. So huge well done for me. I'd like now to announce the winner for the Junior Award, and the Junior Award goes to, for term 1, Evie Bethan. Congratulations, Evie. I just wanted to say again, well done for all your efforts, commitment, and engagement in all the activities this term. Well done, and in particular with Charity Week. So huge well done. And the Senior Award goes to Karim El Ansari. Huge well done. You've clearly shown how enthusiastic and how engaged a pupil at Sherborne should be. A huge well done for leading most of the activities this term and engaging with your classmates. Really proud of you. And finally, I'd like to thank all members of Cook House for a wonderful term and for being very supportive. I look forward to helping you, all members of Cook House, students and staff, in the next term.
Welcome, Copeland House, to our awards assembly. First and foremost, thank you so much for your efforts this first term. It's been a difficult situation, but I'd like to thank each and every one of you for the time, effort and enthusiasm you've given to the house system so far this year. The first award winner is the Junior Award. I would like to thank this person personally for his efforts, commitment and his energy that he's shown so far this year. His attendance record is excellent. He's been achieving merits, which are now counting towards the house system. So I'm pleased to announce that Hamza Amin is our Junior Award winner for Copeland. The second award winner is our Senior Award. Now, this young man has really impressed me in terms of his development from the middle school when he was in year 11 to now in year 12. Again, he's shown an enthusiasm, a resilience and a commitment to the house system, which has been really pleasing to see. He once again has contributed to house points with his excellent attendance, has been awarded merits, and has just shown a general great attitude in the event so far this year. So I'm pleased to announce that Sam Kinarbar is the Senior Award winner for Copeland. So finally, I wish you a pleasant holiday, and I thank you for your efforts, and I look forward to working with you again next term.
Okay, well done to everyone for a great first term. You've shown great resilience in adapting to the new normal, especially with Interhouse. It has been a fantastic term to see people showing resilience in everything they do. It is always hard to pick two pupils who have shone above the rest during Interhouse. However, after speaking to the other Cutler Form tutors, there are two pupils we want to recognise for what they have done. The first is Lily Murphy in year 8. A special well done to you. You have shown energy and passion in Interhouse and really come out of yourself in the sessions. The second, our Senior Award, goes to Irene in year 12, who has not only taken a position of responsibility this year in the house, but has been showing energy and passion and getting others engaged during Interhouse. Well done, everyone, and I look forward to a great term too.
Hey folks, I just want to announce the House Awards for Term 1 for Hamad House. Our Junior Award is going to go to Lamis Khalid in 9E. Lamis is a new pupil this year and she's been an amazing addition to Hamad House. She's achieved one of the highest number of merits and she's attended all of her lessons on time and just been an amazing addition. Our Senior Award is going to go to Batul Abadi in 12A. Batul is a superb pupil in Interhouse. She engages so well, whether she's working in school or from home. And in terms of lessons, she's attending all lessons on time and is a really, really wonderful role model to have in Hamad House. So well done all, and I'm looking forward to see what you can produce in term 2.
Everyone, I just wanted to thank all of the Moser House students, the staff as well, for a great term that we've had. It's been difficult with the pandemic, but you guys have shown that you guys can step up and rise to the challenges that we have in front of us. Now, I just wanted to quickly say thank you for Charity Week as well. Thank you for your generous donations. Obviously, it's been a difficult week given the scenario, but also we've had some great inter-house sessions, and I just wanted to pick out 2 of our winners, and it's very difficult to pick this out, especially when we're only limited to 2. So for our senior winners, we have Mohammed Abdullahi of year 11, so well done, congratulations. Some great reports coming out from our Moser staff, so you've massively contributed towards our house. And also for our junior winners, we have Hla Mohammed of year 7 as well. Thank you for all your hard work. You've been very generous with your time. You've contributed massively to Interhouse and Moser House generally. And I wanted to thank all the students of Moser House and have a wonderful break. And hopefully we could retain our trophy and lift it at the end of this year and obviously have 4 in a row. Thank you.
We would now like to take this opportunity to celebrate the achievements of some of our pupils on their outstanding results last summer. For all of these pupils, they did really well, achieving at the highest grades that they possibly could in all of their subjects. To start, I'd like to look at the IGCSE results. All of these pupils attained between a 9 and a 7 in every one of their subjects. Batul Abidi Dujana Akhmed, Tala Gowri, Nadine Yusuf Khalil, and Omar Maskin. For our AS pupils, all of these pupils achieved an A grade in all of their subjects. Mohammed Al-Romaini, Huda Baig, Zuraya Jabba Bilal, Ayman Dar, Abbas Kalan, Oliver Kinnaird Barr, Jay Martin, and Aditya Jagannathan. And also our A-level pupils, all of whom scored either an A star or an A in all of their subjects. Khalid Abdullah, Danny Adam, Bara Ali, Zain Ali, Jack Aldridge, Lucas Aldridge, Thomas Quinn, and Layla Salem. Congratulations to all of you.
My name is Yasmin Kirwa and I'm part of the Year 7 School Council. Today I'm going to be telling you the awards for Year 7, but before I do, I'd like to share with you a quote following our theme, "When you lead, others follow." Mel Robbins once said, "You were assigned this mountain to show others it can be moved." Keep that in mind whilst I go on to tell you the awards. The Effort Award goes to Amir Rahman and the Achievement Award goes to Kulsum Rizvi. Thank you, and well done to everyone in Year 7.
Good morning. My name is Malak and I'm the part of the Year 8 Student Council. Today I'm here to announce the Progress Award and the Effort Award. Before I talk about the awards, I just wanted to say congratulations to every one of you. This year might have been a rough year because lockdown starting from March. I know we can all get through this, and that leads me on to my next topic. I just wanted to say, someone once told me, when you succeed, others will follow. So always try and try, because when you succeed, someone out there is looking up to you. And when you succeed, it feels that they can succeed too. Okay, time for the awards. Congratulations to our Progress Award winner, which goes to Tiara Osargo, and also our Effort Award winner, which goes to Yusuf Ibrahim. Well done to both of you.
Hi, this is Janeda Jacobs, one of the Year 9 reps. Coming back this term was exciting as we saw our friends again, but also nerve-wracking because of all the restrictions. But over the past months, we've adapted to these changes with the help of our family and friends and teachers. Year 9 has had many ups and downs over the past term, like internet problems, missing work on OneNote, and many more. But why focus on the negatives when there are positives, such as the award winners? In Year 9, the Progress Award goes to Sana Ali in 9A, and the Effort Award goes to Hamza Amin in 9A. Great job, guys. Keep up the good work.
Believing in yourself is the first step to success, and you can. You may or may not know this, but every day someone will copy you, what you do, because they see you as a role model. If you think that others will follow your lead, then you must act carefully to ensure that others will do the same. This definitely applies to the situation we are in now. With COVID-19 still around, we must do what we can to make sure that the school stays a safe place for us all. We must persevere just like we did back in March as Year 9s when lockdown began. There are many members of Year 10 who show, through their behaviour, what excellent role models they are. The first term is almost over, so we must work hard to ensure that the next 2/3 of the year surpass this one. I know that we can overcome the challenges of our GCSEs and whatever else this year might throw at us. We can do it. Congratulations to Isabella Venturum, who won the Academic Award, and Abdul Rahman Ghanem, who won the Effort Award.
It's clear that this year has not been the easiest. However, I think we can agree that we have all adjusted very well to the COVID-19 restrictions, especially Year 11. In our year of GCSEs, we have persevered through this hardship. Through the group changes, getting the hang of keeping socially distant, the alternating homeschool education. Moreover, we did very well in our November exams. And with this, I think each of us are more than able to achieve highly in our upcoming January mock GCSE exams. It's also important to mention that we wouldn't have done this without each other. Though there has been a separation in our year between blue and green, I believe that many of us have taken a helpful, needed and positive lead, from which we have all followed. We have all worked incredibly well, but there are a couple who have particularly shone. I'm happy to announce the End of Term Progress Award to Niranjan Muthuswamy and the End of Term Achievement Award to Ilyas Mohammed. Congratulations.
This year's Progress Award for Year 12 goes to Abdurrahman Ahmed in 12B. Congratulations. And this year's Effort Award goes to Libby Walston in 12A. Congratulations.
Since beginning Year 13, 6th form pupils have shown remarkable resilience. This has been demonstrated in the Effort and Progress Awards this term.
So, congratulations to Jay Martin from 13A on achieving the Progress Award, and Zachary Ahmed from 13D on achieving the Effort Award. Well done to the two of you.
The development of Sherborne Qatar is very similar to development towards Qatar 2022. Last year we celebrated 10 years of Sherborne in Qatar. Who would have thought 10 years on we would talk about a Sherborne Qatar family of schools with Sherborne Qatar Prep School, Sherborne Qatar School for Girls and Sherborne Qatar Senior School. And the senior school is now in an exciting position of about to move to a new state-of-the-art facility right next to the Mall of Qatar. Like the infrastructure for the World Cup, the move to the new senior school site is on track. From September 2021, we were able to dramatically enhance our curriculum and facilities. When you believe, others will follow your lead. Aim high. Congratulations to all the award winners and to everyone in the Sherborne community as we move from a challenging 2020 into an exciting 2021. Have a wonderful break and be safe.